What is up guys, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video we are going to unbox and take a first look at the 2018 Acer Nitro 5. So just before I kick this video off, I want to let you guys know that Acer is sponsoring this video, so it will just be an unboxing and first look. If you want to see a full review, then make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment down below so I know to go ahead and do it, as I would really like to get it done. So with that said, let's jump into the video. So as always, let's dive in and take a look at what is included in the box. First off, as expected, the Nitro 5 does come well packaged, and you get a separate box that you will find your power adapter and plug-in. Along with that, you get the usual manuals and user guides in case you need to go ahead and refer to them. So let's take a closer look at the laptop itself. The Nitro 5 weighs in at 2.7 kilograms, and in terms of design, it features an all plastic build with a carbon fibre style lid that continues onto the deck. As with most gaming products these days, we do have some red, albeit pretty subtle, and you will find this on the hinge bar, and you will also find an embossed Nitro logo. In terms of connectivity, on the left side we have a gigabit Ethernet port, USB-C, HDMI, a USB 3 port and a card reader, and there's also a Kensington lock here in case you want to utilise one. On the right hand side you will find a headphone jack, two USB 2.0 ports and your power connector. So moving on to the keyboard, and what we have here is your standard membrane keys, and as you can see the keyboard does actually illuminate red, with your WASD keys highlighted a little bit more to stand out, as I'm sure these will be the most used keys, as it is a gaming laptop of course. On the bottom of the deck you will find your multi-touch and gesture controlled trackpad, and although it doesn't feature any buttons, you can click on the lower sections on both sides. Moving on to the screen, and we have a 15.6 inch full HD IPS panel, and being IPS it should deliver good viewing angles and an overall pleasant experience while gaming and obviously consuming content like YouTube etc. Above the screen you will find that HD webcam that may come in super handy for contacting the outside world after gaming for several days, as I know when blackout launches, that's exactly what I am going to be doing. So in terms of specs, the model that I have here features the Intel i5 Plus 8300H processor, 8GB of DDR4 RAM which is clocked at 2133MHz, a GTX 1050 Ti with 4GB of GDDR5, a 1TB HDD which is paired with a 16GB Intel Optane drive. Taking a look at the underside of the laptop, and you will find your speakers. There is one on each corner, and if we take a closer look, you will find you can easily access the HDD and RAM by simply removing one screw and pulling the door off, so upgrading should not be an issue. And the Nitro 5 does support up to 32GB of RAM just in case you wish to do that. We can also access the full inside simply by removing some more screws, and the bottom tray just simply pulls away. In here we can see the twin fan and twin pipe cooling solution, and when looking at the rear we can also see that aggressive style grille to assist with the cooling. You can also go ahead and access the Intel Optane drive from in here, that obviously helps speed things up. And last of all we have access to the 3098mAh battery. So that pretty much wraps up this unboxing and first look of the 2018 Acer Nitro 5. It does retail for £749.99 at Curry's PC World, and I will leave the link down below just in case you guys want to go ahead and check it out. So if you have any questions about the laptop, you know, you can let me know down below, and I always get back and respond to every single question. If you want to see the full review, as I mentioned at the start of the video, let me know down below and I will definitely get on this, start benchmarking it and all that good stuff. As always guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks to Acer for sponsoring this video. Stay safe, be kind to each other, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.